Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Node, JS, NPM, and Vscode must be installed. Once ready, create a Firebase project in the Firebase console and copy the project ID. This ties resources to your app. Open your Vscode project folder and run NPM in it if you don't have package. JSON. Next, install the Firebase CLI globally with npm install gfirebase tools. This gives you Firebase commands locally. Sign in using Firebase login, so the CLI can authenticate your account. Now you initialize Firebase in your Vscode project by running Firebase in it. Choose the features you need such as hosting, Firestore, or functions, and then select the existing project ID you created earlier. When prompted, set your public directory, use dist for built files or public for static assets, and answer yes to single-page app rewrites if using React, Angular, or Vue. Once done, the CLI writes Firebase, JSON, and Firebase. Make sure to review and commit them to your repo so environment settings are preserved. Finish by building your app locally, then run Firebase deploy to publish hosting, functions, and rules. For safer iteration, use Firebase emulators. Start to test Firestore, auth, and functions locally without touching production. Make sure your build output matches the public folder set in Firebase. JSON so deploy serves correct files. If you encounter authentication or permission errors, try Firebase logout followed by Firebase login to refresh credentials. Also check IAM roles in the Firebase console and ensure your CLI project ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.